today we're gonna be playing I Am Cat for the first time. And yeah, I Am Cat for the first time. Cost is $20. What is this? You gonna? Okay, let's go for it. We can just jump, you know. Wait, it's not even jumping. And I do not even know how to climb up Askuruta. Can you actually climb so easy? You can climb up so easy. Now it's gonna be the jump. Oh, it didn't work. Wait. Oh! It's Squid Game! It's Squid Game! Squid Game. Okay. Throw the fish in here. Fall asleep. Alright, what's gonna happen? What's gonna really happen? Okay. Oh, I spawned as a kitty cat. Yo, where am I? Where am I? I'm a cat. No. Wait, I'm black? I'm black? I'm orange. How am I black? Oh, that's how I look like. Okay. Get to the second floor of the house. Let's complete the quest. Turn on Dan and turn on a dance channel. What does that mean? Oh wait, there's a TV. Oh wow. There's a rain. Next. Alright, completed the quest. Turn it off. What does that mean? Yo. Yeah, is he just a robot? I just rather say it's a robot. Yo! Yo! Yo, Grandma, you're not gonna hit me with that, huh? You're not gonna hit me with that, aren't you? What do you mean, I'll promise you? You're not gonna hit me with that. Alright. Fine. We get our own pan. Let's hit her with this. Make her teach her lesson. I literally made her teach her lesson. You can do anything in a house. You can definitely do anything in a house. Yeah, I'm just a kitty cat. Can I make her jump all the way up? Let's try. Let's just try, I guess.
Yo!
Oh, crap. Yo, bro, that was so fun. You keep missing, Grandma. What can we find? 2.
You've got to for me.
What do you mean? We can do a lot of stuff in the house.
You'll get larger for me.
Oh, they're talking about this. Our next quest. Oh! What do you mean? Shut up! Let's just do this.
Fun for me.
Yeah, Bangur. Alright, now the next quest is gonna be going to sweep. Alright, good night. Or let's do that. Piano. Let's do the piano. There is a piano. F A S D D. Touch paintings. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Bam. Touch number 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a painting. One.
You've got to for me.
Let's go drink some water. How? How did it not break? Well, these plates. Let's try these plates. Let's try them. I broke it. I broke some. I gotta hide. I gotta hide, bro. Grandma's coming. I gotta hide so it can not make sure it was actually me. Gotta hide. I'm gonna hide top here. Oh my god. Grandma's mad at me. No, no. She didn't know it was me. Yeah, that's a cute. What happened? What happened? Oh my god, Grandma's so crazy. She's crazy. She's crazy. She's gonna hit me with the pan. We gotta make her. I gotta hit her. I gotta hit her. What do you mean? Oh. Let's climb up. What is that?
You can't fall for me.
Yo! It's like a taser. Yeah. Watch this.
You can't fall for me.
Ah! Let's do the mouth. That's gonna be my weapon. Kitty cat. Grandma, you're too crazy, so this is what you deserve. Alright, bed. Bed. She is too crazy. I broke it. I gotta hide. Hide right here.
You can't fall for me.
We just made her head stuck. Okay, guys, I had to restart my IMCAT cause my other really got glitched. So that was a glitch. Early access. So yeah, it should work now. It should work. Okay. Where's the kitty? Oh wait, is there a computer? Is there a computer? There is. There is a computer. Password request. 1, 2, 3, 4. Access denied. Alright. Maybe there's a code and let's just go find a code. Let's see what grandma's hiding with a password. Why does he have a password? Suspicious. Are they over here? No. Over here. Right here. 0426.
Open the seal. You'll be flying for me.
0426. 04. Okay. Accident. Nah. Friends. We have friends. See you. That's gonna be the end of the video.
Yes, it's an asking.
Yeah, bye.
You'll be flying
Yeah, and then after you do it, you won't be able to get your PlayStation to work now. Even if you turn it off.